Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Alex from the Live Pigeon team, and I have something exciting today, which is how to connect your Facebook page to Live Pigeon. So that way, once you've got it set up once and you do this one-time setup, you can go live to your Facebook page over and over and over with ease. All it requires is that you are an admin of your page. So to set up the Facebook page, all we've got to do is we've got to log into Facebook and make sure that we're an admin. Now, if you're seeing this view, this is probably because we're in the old classic Facebook. And we got to switch to the new Facebook. So up in the top right, click the little down arrow and click switch to new Facebook. This is what the new Facebook looks like. You want to be seeing this view. Now that we're here, let's go navigate to our Facebook page. Currently, I'm not an admin. All I see is just the page. But if I want to be an admin, I've got to talk to whoever is the owner or another admin to get me access. In order for that to happen, all they've got to do is they've got to log in, they've got to click settings, they've got to scroll down to page roles, and they've got to find a little search bar and type in your name. Once they find your name or they find who you're trying to add, make sure the role is set to admin, then send the invite. What you're going to see on your end is a little bell notification will go off. When you click on it, you'll see in the top notification that you were invited to be an admin of the page. Click on that and accept the invitation, and you should be an admin. To double check that, make sure you're an admin, all you've got to do is go into the page, click on settings, page roles, and again, you should see yourself right here in this list now, and you should see yourself as an admin. Just to clarify, if you see yourself as an editor or any other role, this might not work. You need to be an admin of this page or the owner of this page in order for Live Pigeon to be connected automatically. Once you've got this all set up, let's go into Live Pigeon and make sure that this is all working properly. Once you're logged in your dashboard, and navigate over to sign in with Facebook and make sure you're connected. If you're already connected, no problem. Then we're going to click Go Live Now, and it doesn't matter what we're going to name the file, we can just name it Test temporarily. This is where we can choose our Facebook pages and groups. But you probably aren't seeing your page here yet, am I right? That's okay. All you gotta do is click the little refresh button off to the side of the bar, and what this will do is it'll go back to Facebook, it'll search all the pages and see what you're an admin of and what you're not. Then it'll come back and discover that you're an admin of the page. Your page should pull up and you can now go live there by just clicking on it. The beauty of this bar too is you can add as many destinations as you like, so you can go live to multiple places at once just by clicking and adding on different pages. Now that you're an admin, you don't ever need to do this step again and you're all set to go. If you'd also like to connect to your Facebook groups, we can help you with that. We have that video on our channel and plenty more. We're happy to help you out on Live Pigeon support. And as always, at the bottom of every single page, we have our support phone number and our support email. If you have any other questions, feel free to email us. But we are happy to help you today, and I'm glad that this video helped you. And as always, take it easy.